Hi, it's HardwareSet and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Nothing Phone 4a Pro. First, scroll from the top and open Bluetooth settings, then click the gear next to your Bluetooth device. Click Forget and then pair new device. Wait for it to load and try to pair. Then click Pair on both of your devices. If none of this helped, then disable the Bluetooth, enable it back on, and restart your phone. By clicking the power button and the volume up button, and then restart. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.